This bold group brokered by eXp Realty, LLC property video is presented by Ashley Carpenter. Back on market, buyer financing fell. THRU mechanics dream. This ranch-style home 5 minutes from Cross Lake comes with 7.47 acres and 2 huge workshops with overhead garage doors. Home has 2,092 square feet, 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, huge DEN house needs updating, 2-car attached carport, covered back patio, greenhouse, detached single-car garage, detached workshops built on slabs with electric. Sportsman's dream. Live close to the lake with land to be in the country. Appraisal on file. For more information, review the details below or contact Ashley Carpenter at 318-562-0268.